What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. I know it's been a while since I did a video. I kind of come down with bronchitis. I'm still kind of getting over it. You had the holidays and everything else, and I wanted to finish the year strong with a New Year's Eve spray out. So, as always, we got Rustoleum products here today. We're doing our Rustoleum Custom Mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors. We mix pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything to create new interesting color combinations. And you guys get to rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5 is the greatest thing you've ever seen. And this is our New Year's mix. So the two colors I picked today, we got a fender prepped up and ready. I'm going to two-tone it with gloss black and gloss white. Simple enough, right? And then I've got something else from Michaels. Y'all like the pearl I did last time. This is called Glitz. This is a little bit thicker. This is actually an extra fine glitter flake. So it's like in between a pearl and a flake. So it's like a really micro flake. But anyways, it's called Glitz. It's a really cool one. Looks almost like an ice, like green. Well, you'll see it when we spray it. But anyways, first off, we're going to two-tone that fender, and then we'll get into shooting some of this Glitz micro flake from Michaels, of all places. Alright guys, so we got our true Rustoleum colors down, simple enough. I am using the Finish 1 clear today. I definitely recommend Finish 1 whenever doing Rustoleum paint jobs. It is the best looking clear and the least issues clear I found to shoot over Rustoleum. Man, it's a high solids, and for just over $100 on Amazon, it just works out great. You can use my links, they'll be in the description. It's a 4-to-1 clear, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium hardener. You can get a fast hardener or a slow hardener as well. I've done 5 ounces total in the mix, 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of hardener, that's 5 ounces. And now it's time for some of this Recollection series. Now, that pearl I used in the last video, these are only like $3.99, $5.99, somewhere in that area, so they're very cheap, and that's for 50 ounces of this stuff. So, I mean, this will do a whole car easily. Like I said, this is an extra fine glitter, so it's more like a micro flake, maybe even a little bit smaller. But like I said, I got 5 ounces total today, so I'm going to open this up. And I'm not really going to measure it. I'm just going to kind of spritz some in there, just kind of gauge it like that. So let's do a little bit. Ooh, this is pretty. And that's probably enough. Like I said, this is a New Year's Eve mix, so you want it to pop. But anyways, guys, this is Glitz Recollections by Michaels, of all places. And I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so here it is in the mix before I even get to stirring it up. Man, you can see it does all kinds of colors. So let's get to stirring. And yeah, like I said, it's a white particle glitter. So it shifts from like greens to blues to golds. I think it's going to look really cool over the white and over the black. Definitely going to give it a really cool contrast. And I can't wait to see what it'll do. So there's only one thing to do. Let's load up our paint gun and let's get to spraying this fender. Alright guys, so I got my shampoo paint gun loaded up with some of this Glitz glitter from Michaels. Extra fine, that is. We got the black and the white laid down. We're going to do a light coat first, make sure we don't get no issues, and then 2 or 3 follow-up coats till we get the desired effect. This is a 1.3 tip on this paint gun. I shoot at 28 psi, wide open trigger. If you want to replicate my settings, feel free to. And yeah, I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get to spraying. so here's the spray out for today. Gloss black and gloss white with the Glitz micro flake from Michaels over top. Now this is very pretty, but as you probably expected, and as I expected, it left quite a bit of texture. This is a high solids clear, so the way you would counteract this is I did 2 coats of this Glitz flake, and after that you have to go back and do 2 more coats of just clear to seal everything in and to minimize that texture. And then you still would probably have to wet sand and buff to get the texture completely out. But that's just what you should expect if you ever decide to do a micro flake paint job, opposed to doing some of the other pearls and stuff like that. Pearls are really fine micro powders, so they don't leave texture like flakes do. But regardless, still a beautiful color combination. And for $5.99 from Michaels, just another option in the many of pearls, flakes, candies, and everything out there that you can decide to choose for your next spray out. So rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And where can you get it? Well, you can get it at Michaels. But the clear coat, the paint gun, everything else I use, you can get it in my links below. As seen on YouTube, you click that, it takes you to my Amazon store, and you can buy everything I use on the channel there. We get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have a Happy New Year. I wanted to get this episode out, and just say, hey, look forward to the new year. The truck's finally done, so that reveal's coming really soon. We got a lot of awesome spray outs coming up, and you're not going to miss it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. Drop me a like and comment and let me know what you thought of today's episode. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you next year.